she sprouted love like flowers, grew a garden in her mind. And even on the darkest days, from her smile the sun still shines. There's untamed electricity coursing through his veins, and it shocks you when you kiss him. But my God, it's worth the pain. You told me those who believe in love are the ones with the weakest hearts. So did I really not expect it when you tore my own apart? There's a history of heartbreak tucked in the creases of her eyes, a museum of the moments that she'd watch just pass her by. And each tear that escaped her held the things she left unsaid, so the words she'd never spoken stained her dampened cheeks instead. There's untamed electricity coursing through his veins, and it shocks you when you kiss him. But my God, it's worth the pain. You told me those who believe in love are the ones with the weakest hearts. So did I really not expect it when you tore my own apart? If you peered in through a rag bitch, you'd find an empty space from the boy she gave her heart to, who didn't put us in its place. Untamed electricity coursing through his veins, and it shocks you when you kiss him. But my God, it's worth